Well, here's one of these no spill push button gas cans. I bought one of these a while back in the 2.5 gallon version for lawnmower and liked it well enough. I bought one for my mixed fuel here. Guess it ain't exactly no spill, huh? You gotta be careful with them. I'm just not too used to using it yet, so it spills a little bit. At the top, overflowed. It's nice because you can tilt it like this and nothing comes out until you're ready for it. This thing's been sitting quite a while. Got this from my neighbor last summer. Can't get to the choke fast enough. Cold now. It needs like 3/4 choke, and I don't feel like screwing with it. But here's this mower I worked on for my neighbor. It's all done, just haven't seen him around, so I'll give it back to him here soon. It's got a horrendous muffler on it. Nice hood. I cleaned the carb, which I'm surprised actually worked because it was full of rust. New fuel filter. Didn't bother with a valve adjustment. Doesn't seem to need it. Runs great. Sounds nice and quiet in the valve train. And when it's hot, the starter doesn't get kicked back on. Lubed up all the steering. Put a new spark plug in it. Change the oil. I think that was its first oil change ever. New battery. Oh, my ass is gonna be wet. I got no ass protection. Wow, okay. Ready to run today. Jeez. As you can hear, there's a baffle and the muffler rattling around. Wow, that thing came to life real quick. Definitely runs good. It's like a 2006 year model. Doesn't say Intech on it, but you know that's what that piece of crap is. This thing is so much more comfortable to sit on than those types of mowers. Alright, This right here is gonna be the cock for Dolly right here. No mess. Except maybe a little bit right here in my hands. Oh yeah. Break in engine is first. Yeah, it's got some shit on it from the rings breaking in. Yep. Yeah, draining. It's got about a few hours of runtime on it since I rebuilt it. It's definitely got some sludge. This is a homemade magnetic drain plug. This is actually the original drain plug that I took, I believe, a half-inch drill bit and just hollowed out the inside. Then I got a rare earth magnet that's about the same size and it fits flush in there. Did that to my push mower too. Alright.